Eating carrots every day can have several positive effects on your body due to the rich nutritional content of carrots. Here are some of the potential benefits. Improved vision. Carrots are well known for their high beta-carotene content, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for good vision, and a regular intake of carrots can help maintain healthy eyesight and prevent night blindness. Antioxidant protection. Carrots contain antioxidants, including beta-carotene, which help combat free radicals in the body. Free radicals can damage cells and contribute to aging and various diseases, so the antioxidants in carrots help protect your cells and tissues. Boosted immunity. The vitamins and minerals in carrots, including vitamin C, can support your immune system and help your body fight off infections and illnesses. Digestive health. Carrots are a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps prevent constipation and supports regular bowel movements. Skin health. The antioxidants and vitamins in carrots can contribute to healthier skin. Vitamin A, in particular, helps maintain skin health and may reduce signs of aging. Heart health. Carrots are low in calories and fat while being rich in fiber, potassium, and vitamin C. These components are beneficial for heart health, as they can help manage blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Blood sugar regulation. The fiber and relatively low glycemic index of carrots can contribute to better blood sugar control, making them a suitable option for individuals concerned about their blood sugar levels. Detoxification. Carrots contain compounds that support the body's natural detoxification processes. The fiber helps cleanse the colon and promote regular bowel movements, aiding in the elimination of toxins from the body. Hormonal balance. Carrots may help regulate hormone levels in the body due to their rich content of various vitamins and minerals. This can contribute to overall hormonal balance and well-being. Strengthened immunity. The antioxidants and vitamins in carrots can bolster your immune system, making your body more resilient to infections and illnesses. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants and phytonutrients in carrots may have protective effects against certain types of cancer, although more research is needed to confirm these effects. Improved oral health. Chewing on raw carrots can stimulate saliva production, which helps in maintaining oral health. Additionally, the natural abrasiveness of carrots can help clean teeth and gums, reducing the risk of cavities. Bone health. Carrots contain essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus, which are vital for maintaining strong bones and teeth. These minerals, along with vitamin K, contribute to bone health and may help prevent osteoporosis. Better brain function. The antioxidants and phytochemicals found in carrots may support brain function and cognitive health. Some studies suggest that these compounds may help reduce the risk of cognitive decline as you age. Blood pressure regulation. The potassium content in carrots can help regulate blood pressure by balancing the effects of sodium in the body. This is beneficial for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system.